congratulate you on launching this cutting-edge WiMAX network. The Government Smart Economy Framework sees high-speed broadband as a key enabling infrastructure for economic renewal. It's an essential requirement for the knowledge-intensive service activities on which our future economic prosperity increasingly depends. It's therefore particularly welcome that Ireland is in the vanguard of the rollout in Europe of this new WiMAX technology. Backed worldwide by Intel, Google, Comcast, Motorola and other major multinationals. This represents an important vote of confidence in Ireland as a place to do business and the restructuring of our economy to support the products and services of tomorrow. Intel has pioneered and nurtured WiMAX for several years. Motorola's devices will eventually enable subscribers across Ireland to connect to the network. Google and Hewlett-Packard are also supporting the Irish WiMAX revolution, and their work with Imagine Communications on this project is exactly the kind of successful collaboration between multinational corporations and indigenous enterprise that we want to see more of. International experience has demonstrated that competition between different platform providers can incentivize investment in next-generation networks. Today's launch, therefore, represents a further significant step in bringing a modern and efficient broadband infrastructure to Ireland. Sean has outlined is needed, supported by multiple platforms and technologies. The renewed programme for government contains a commitment that, subject to European stimulus funding, we want broadband available to every house in the country by 2012. Enhancing our communications infrastructure will be crucial to this country's future in the years ahead. The renewed programme recognises that Ireland will be a test bed for emerging technologies and has put the smart economy at its core. New WiMAX network being announced today represents another important foundation in the development of the smart economy which will bring about our economic renewal. It's about nurturing the products and services of tomorrow and providing sustainable jobs at home. WiMAX is of particular importance will help people and help ensure that Ireland will have the necessary connectivity to successfully compete as a trading digital economy. Today's launch then is a great vote of confidence in Irish business, in the capacity of our people to compete in a globalised economy. We can be proud that it's an Irish company, founded and run by Irish entrepreneurs, spearheading the drive to move Ireland to the top of international broadband rankings. WiMAX has the potential to bring significant economic rewards. It addresses next generation access and the digital divide for businesses and consumers, and it will drive the smart economy to create technology and manufacturing jobs. It's a key objective of this government to make Ireland a world-leading location for business innovation. Building Ireland's smart economy, a framework for sustainable economic renewal, which is strongly reflected in the renewed programme for government, sets out key elements to achieve that point. They are to address the current economic challenges facing the Irish economy by stabilising our public finances, improving competitiveness, supporting those who have become unemployed, and support Irish business and multinational companies. It's to encourage investment in research and development, incentivise multinationals to locate more R&D capacity in Ireland, and ensure the commercialisation and retaining of ideas that flow from that investment. It's about supporting high-value innovation of products and services that will create hundreds of thriving Irish companies and associated employment. And it's about implementing a new Green Deal to move us away from fossil fuel-based energy production to investment in renewable energy and promoting green enterprise sector and the creation of green-collar jobs. So we want to develop first-class infrastructure that will improve quality of life and increase the competitiveness of Irish business. We've made a commitment in our renewed programme to appoint a Chief Information Officer who will provide leadership for the development of information and communications technology and other relevant technologies within and outside government. He or she will report directly to me, will lead a streamlined government structure to deliver the ICT function both within government and in the community. Advise government on how to take a proactive leading role in championing ICT innovation and development externally as part of building the smart economy. To assist in public sector modernisation by driving changes to government business processes, implementing improvements in how government communicates with its citizens through ICT. And the Chief Information Officer will have a cross-departmental and agency leadership role in driving the e-government programme. It's a further expression of our commitment to the development of innovative ICT technology in Ireland. I want to say today that a further key smart economy emphasis for government is the crucial role of the education sector, providing the tools and capacity to ensure that students have access to the most modern teaching and learning systems available. If we want to fully exploit the high-end employment opportunities and technological developments that will bring, we have to be able to produce the graduates the knowledge and skill sets to meet that demand and to maximise opportunities in innovation and research. So today's exciting launch of cutting-edge WiMAX technology is a welcome addition to these developments and to the ambitions we all share for the renewal of our economy and our society. I want to congratulate everyone involved in this collaborative endeavour that has brought this project to this point, and I have every confidence that we will continue to grow from strength to strength into the future. Thanks very much.